We'll have more on Hurricane Ida coming up in just a moment, but I'm going to talk about fall, the countdown to fall. Shift gears a little bit, and it's on the way, folks. It's going to take a while, 24 days until it officially arrives on September 22nd. Now, September 1st is the first day of meteorological fall. The Weather Service breaks down the seasons into 3-month chunks. So September, October, November is fall, and then December is winter, and therefore, thus far, and all that stuff. But our high temperatures for today, we're warm. 94 in Greenville, 90 in Anderson, 89 into Clemson, 91 in Greenwood, Newberry at 90, Spartanburg at 90, and 88 on into Asheville. Looking outside right now, all is quiet. I-85, the interchange of 385. We're looking at some clouds out there, but I think the visibility is going to be good through the overnight. And as far as the commute to work tomorrow, I think we're looking good as well. Temperatures now still warm in downtown Greenville, 83 degrees, Anderson 77, Lawrence 78, Clemson 79, Toccoa 73, but a cooler 68 in Waynesville. All right, let's talk about Ida. This is a 12-hour loop, and you can see how this system was a complete monster. It was a buzzsaw as it made landfall earlier today, right around noon local time, near Grand Isle, back into areas of Louisiana. They had a weather station there that recorded a wind gust of 148 miles per hour. Then it broke. So who knows? Maybe the gust was 160, 170. Then it moved over land. You can see how the center is filling in, and it's still a Category 2 hurricane. That occurred at the top of the 10 o'clock hour, and it will continue to weaken as it moves to the north. But it is dumping a tremendous amount of rain. The pumps are trying to get the water out of New Orleans, and the levees are trying to hold the water back. They had that new system since Katrina made landfall 16 years ago, but it's a slow mover, and it's dumping a lot of water. And it's centered just south and west of Hammond right now, and it will continue to move to the north and weaken into a tropical storm overnight across Mississippi, and then it tracks north and east, and then it moves into central Tennessee. You may remember that tremendous flooding they had about a week and a half ago west of Nashville, that deadly flooding. It looks like this could track near Nashville through Kentucky and West Virginia. We'll be on the southeast side of the track as we go through time. Here's high pressure over the top of us now, but there is the cloudy from Ida that is moving our way, and that will increase our moisture. And once again, there is Ida, and we also have more action farther out in the Atlantic. This is tropical depression number 10. Not a problem. That's going to shift to the north. We also have tropical storm Julian while out in the North Atlantic, and that's not going to be a problem either. But let's talk about Ida moving our way. Now, for your Monday, I think we're going to keep it quiet. Maybe a few showers developing later on in the day, but we're going to be watching the center of the system through Mississippi into Tennessee, and then maybe pushing some showers into western North Carolina by Tuesday afternoon. And as we go through time, what we're looking at is on Futurecast, you can see we're looking at quiet conditions on your Monday. And then as we go on into Tuesday, that's when we start to increase the showers and storms into the afternoon. The possibility is there for severe weather, northeast Georgia, parts of the upstate, and the mountains as well. A low chance of tornadoes, heavy rain, a better possibility into the mountains. We'll continue to see this rain moving on through as we go through your Wednesday. Here's Wednesday noon, the center moving into West Virginia and taking the rain with it. I think the rain will wind down during the course of the day, and then beginning Thursday into the weekend, looking fantastic. But we have a marginal risk of severe weather, maybe isolated tornadoes, damaging winds, western North Carolina, parts of the upstate. And as far as rainfall amounts, maybe 1 to 3 inches into the mountains, with lesser amounts the farther south and east you go. And I think the winds will be a little gusty at times too, maybe over 30 miles per hour into the mountains, and especially near some of those storms as they move on through, and then the winds will start to diminish with time. 70 tonight for the upstate, mostly clear conditions, and then for the mountains, you're looking at your low of 64. Carolina sky meter 4 tomorrow. Clouds will increase. It's going to be a hot day, but I do have us at a 9. And here's your 7-day forecast. 93 on Monday, last day of 90s, 88 Tuesday, 40% chance of showers and storms. We have that isolated severe threat possible later Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday's high at 85. Then after that, smooth sailing. Look at those temperatures. Gorgeous. Low to mid 80s Thursday into the weekend. Lower humidity, lots of sunshine, overnight lows into the 60s. Mountains 88 for you. Cooler with the rain Tuesday and Wednesday, 70s for highs Thursday and Friday, warming into the 80s. And look at those gorgeous overnight lows into the 50s starting Friday. Hello, fall just around the corner.